Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make the Rainbow Loom ladder bracelet. This is an example of it, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the same exact bracelet except with little different changes with colors. That's basically it, but we're going to make the same Rainbow Loom bracelet. So the materials you will need are one loom. This is what the loom should look like. It should be set up like this. And if it's not set up like that, please change it to like this. And the things you will need are a C-clip or S. Either one of them work, but I like C-clip best because it has more space in between it. But you can use either both. I'm going to be showing you both. So then you will need your middle color. I'm going to be using rainbow colors. And here I use pink and purple, but I'm going to be using rainbow colors in this one. So, and your base color black, that's mine. I think black or white shine out. So I suggest you to either use black or white for the base color. Today, and I just did blue over here. You can do any color basically you want, but I think black and white really shine out. So this was just one of my first ones, so I'm just showing you it. And you'll need your clips, your add-on color, whatever color you want, and about 40 or I'd say 50 of your 40. I'd say 40, but take a few extra if you need them. So take about 40 or 50 of your base color, and this is the example. You'll need the loom, I'll say, and then you'll need the hook. So let's get started, shall we? So let's take our base color, mine is black, and what you should do is just take your loom. We always start from the right when we do rainbow loom. And by the way, this isn't rainbow loom, this is the twist bands kit. It's the same thing as rainbow loom. So what you want to do is first put it, I'm just going to take off this rubber band. So you want to put it diagonally from this peg looks like a U sorta. So take this U peg and set it and put it the rubber band that it should be diagonally. Then take your next color, then take your next, it's not a color exactly, but your base color, and then just keep doing this. Go straight, but you want to skip this, and I'll tell you what to do next. So the name of this bracelet is called the ladder bracelet, just if you want to know. And make sure none of the bands are like twisting like this, or I just did that with my finger. So make sure they're not twisting, or because otherwise it'll get, when they twisted, the bracelet won't look nice. So remember, don't go to here, just take your, and remember, instead of going over here, you're gonna go to here like you did now. Now we're gonna go to the left side of the loom and take your base color again and just go up. Go straight up, and I will show you what it looks like at the end. So just go straight up, and the same thing, go like, instead of going up here, sometimes if it gets up a little, just do that, okay? Now, this is what your loom should look like at the end. Now, we're gonna be making the first part of the ladder. The ladder has two parts, two basic parts. The part of the ladder is that you can wear both sides. It looks the same. So what you need to do, we're gonna make this part of the ladder. We're not gonna make the front part of it, but we're gonna make the back. So here you can see even over here, I have 2 rubber bands. So we're gonna be putting our first ladder. So take your base color, the same thing. These kind of look like diamonds, so I'm gonna be calling them as diamonds, these pegs. So skip this diamond and go to the next peg, next 2 pegs, and go there. And then go to the next time, and I'll be showing you until the end of the loom. So you just keep doing that until the end. You don't need to stop at this diamond. You can go. So you need to go till the end of the loom. So take your base color. And if you need to, you can just push these bands down. And as I said, you don't need to skip this diamond. Now what this will be really helpful is that you're gonna need to push down your rubber bands. Don't push them down too far because it's gonna be hard. And if you need to, you can use your hands if you like. And just use your hook. And then down you can just push these down with your fingers if you like, or you can just keep them up if you'd like to. So now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be doing the middle of the ladder. The ladder has this part of it, and this part we're gonna be doing the middle that's in the ladder. I did pink and purple over here. I'm gonna do rainbow colors over here. So you can do any colors or pattern you'd like, but don't do a dark. Your base color should be white or black, but you can do any color like blue. Over here I did. So you can do any color you'd like, but it should be a little visible for you to see. So I'm gonna be doing rainbow colors again. Not this color. So I'll put the example over here in case you'd like to see it again. And then I'm gonna do our last colors. So this is what it should look like at the end. And this is what it should look like. So I did my middle colors, as you can see over here. This is what it should have looked like in the middle. This is what it should look like. If anything doesn't look like this, please change it except your colors. So next what you want to do is just take your base color, and we're going to be taking this part and we're going to be not overlapping, but looping these bands, or crocheting for another word. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one rubber band. We're gonna make a capping band, except we're gonna not make a regular one, but we're gonna do that 3 times. So then it's extra firm. because it's gonna be kind of hard. So what you're gonna do is just do 1, 2, and then do a third time. If you need to, you can do a fourth if you like, if you want it extra firm, but I like it being 3. It's a little loose and a little firm. It's just right. So then what you want to do is take your capping band, push it out of the way, and take your next color. In my case, it's pink, but take your next color, and then you want to put that, just unhook it, then you want to rehook it. I think the Rainbow Loom ladder bracelet is really simple, so it should be easy for you if you know how to do a lot of bracelets. Should be very easy actually. So if you need to, you can hold it, the loom, and just do that till the end. And if something comes out of place, like if anything happens like this, you can just do that. Nothing will happen to the bracelet, actually. So you want to go inside, just do that. And this is the last one. Now what you want to do is just flip your loom back over again. And then you might want to push these down a little because it's kind of going to be bothering you when you... And you can do that one too. So what we're going to be doing is overlapping these your base color. So you're basically doing that over your colors. Like you're going to be overlapping here. So we did this part of the ladder. Now we're going to do this part. So just the way I tell you can do it in any way, but just you need to go till where you see. That's just like a guide for you. So if you do it right the first time, you'll get the whole bracelet right. And I'm almost done. This is my last one. Now what you want to do is flip the loom over again, so it looks kind of like a half a circle. And then what you want to do, now we're going to be looping the base color, or crocheting the base color, some people call it. So what you want to do is, you had made a capping band for these inside colors, right? So what you want to do is just, you're going to use that same capping band to do the base colors too. So you want to kind of, if you need to, you can push your base color up, not your base color, your capping band, and pull that out, and you should take this one that you're on, always go from right to left, and do that right. Now you want to take this one and go there. So it should look like this once you've done that. And then you want to push that whole bunch of rubber bands there that you've got. And then you want to take the last one, it should be the last one in the group, and you want to put that on top. If It should look like it's taking a whole bundle, and that's correct if it's taking that much. If you pushed it too farther down, you can just use your fingers to push it up. And then you can do this until the end.
Wait பண்ணு அக்கா. She's showing it to him. Okay?
So you need to keep doing that till the end. So if you need to, you can hold the loom like this, and it should be the last one in the group. If it isn't, something's wrong with the bands that you put on and just didn't come out right. The first time I did it, it didn't come out that right. So I did it again, and then I got this bracelet. You basically can do any color for your base color, but I like black the most instead of white. The white, if you have really pretty colors in the middle over here, you might want to do white because the white really doesn't show off that much. The black, when you do it, it shows off a lot, but I like black the most. Sometimes people do rainbow colors on the base color and then they do black in the middle. So, wanna loop that to there. And now you're gonna go back. This is what the left side should look like at the end. So, this is what it should look like. I still didn't do this part of it, the right side. So now I'll be doing the right side and take the last one in the group. You're basically doing the same thing on this side too. So now you guys know it. You can do it. So you need to. If you need to, you can push those rubber bands up. Take that. And if those rubber bands, you can just do that. Make sure it's taking that full bundle, because if it's not, you probably did something wrong with the bands or you didn't loop them up correctly. Remember, pull these back and then take your last one. Just don't go like this and take your last one, because that also, it makes your bundle not come out right. It makes your you only have it makes you only take these bands, but it won't take this one with it. So make sure you be very careful with that. Because the first time I did it, that's why it didn't come out right. So you want to take the last one in the bundle. And this one is easy. You don't have that bundle, so you shouldn't be having the bundle. And then now we are done with the looping. Now take your next color. You can take any rubber band you'd like. I'm gonna be doing pink over here. So what you need to do is, I like to hold it like this, or you can do your base color. But I'm going to do my base color actually. So hold it with 2 fingers like this. It should look like this. And now take your loom. This is a tricky part. It might take a few tries, but you'll get used to it. You do this for every single rainbow loom bracelet. So when you have your hook, take it on the rubber band part. It should look like a triangle, and then you just want to pull that in. It might take a few tries, like see, just like that, or you can hold it like this and go down to the side, take it, and then now once you've got it on, push it to the biggest side, like that flattest part, or the side that gives you more grip. And now we're going to be taking off our bracelet. So this might be a little hard, but you'll get used to it. And you can hold your loom too if you'd like. And now you've got your bracelet. So what we're gonna do now is make an add-on. So flip your loom back again and take your clip, make sure your clips are ready. Make sure your clips are ready.
So that
And your ladder,
You have to put the clip.
your ladder bracelet should look like this. And these are the clips you'll need. You can do an S clip or C clips. So take your color you want to do for your add-on. This one I did black and blue and white. Sorry, and I'm gonna do purple for this one. So what you need to do is just take your color and do it straight up. Don't make it like a regular, just a single rainbow loom bracelet, because that will not work if you do that, because it'll be a little easier. So just do this. Do this until, just if you're a kid, you might want to stop here. If you're like in 3rd or 4th or 5th grade, you might want to stop here. But if you're an adult or somebody like a teenage person or somebody, I suggest you to do it up till here. So, well, since I'm a kid, I'm gonna start looping. So you should have your rainbow loom bracelet, your ladder, and flip that straight thing you did. So what you want to do is put your fingers through that and pull out your thing. Now you want to take the capping band. You want to take your rubber bands that you had and just put it on the loom like you see. This is what it looks from the side. So what you want to do is now just pull your loom to the next peg and then pull your ladder bracelet, and then what you need to do is just do the hooking like you did, like you should do. And you do that until the end. You can let go of the ladder bracelet. And take it. And with the last one, that should have been the last one. So I'm going to use a C clip. You can use a C or S. I'm going to show you how to do both. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with C clip first. This is what a C clip looks like. And this is what an S clip looks like. The C looks just like the C, and the S looks just like an S. So I'm going to start with C clip. So what you want to do is you take the end of the loom, the last one that you've hooked, and put it through the C clip like this, and then just take off. Sorry guys, it should take it off, and then you should have your capping band and pull this if you need to. And then what you need to do is pull that and put that inside. And then you've got your bracelet. And you can wear it, and I'll be showing you it with the S-clip too. This is what it looks like. Just ignore this, and this is what it should look like. So now I'll be showing you it with the S-clip too. So what you'll need to do is just I'm going to take off the C-clip. And then what? So you need to take off this. So now you want to put it on the first side of your S clip, and then take your other side of the add-on and just do that on the other side. And now you got your bracelet with the S clip too. Thank you. Bye.